Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Fiesta ST right here that we have on our main channel. We have amazing build there, and also we have that Scion there that you can see, FRS. Check it out guys, it's on World Mechanics, our main channel. And today we'll be doing a Clockspring replacement on this one. This is the part number right there, because ours was in an accident. And what happened, the rack and pinion was broken. You can check it out on our main channel, it's there. And they messed up the Clockspring, so we need to replace that one because the airbag light is on and we have the codes that trigger that. So check it out if you need to, and I'll stay with us and we'll show you how to replace it. Okay, and what you need to do, you need to open the hood first and you need to disconnect the battery before you do that. And you need to disconnect it at least 30 minutes before you do the job. So that way the airbag module will have enough time to deep charge. Okay, 10mm socket, and you can undo the positive terminal right there. Okay, make sure it's not touching. Okay, we have it, it's stuck there now. Alright guys, so if you get a hex key, long one, like that. Now in order to remove the airbag, there is, so far I don't think there is screws or anything. Those are for the steering controls, don't remove those. So if you go in this hole, in an angle, okay, you find it, there is a spring actually, okay, right there. And oh, you can push it in and you can see the airbag moved a little bit already. So we need to find, there is a few of those. We'll show you where exactly they are. Stay with us, the same thing on this side now. Okay, hop, one more. And then we have a last one, which is on the very bottom, okay, right here. And you need to do the same thing, but you need to find the spring. Okay, if you don't find the spring, it's not going to work. And it's going to take some time, because this one is not so easy to access as the other ones. I don't know why. We'll see what the deal is in a second. Okay, so we're actually using a little bitty screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver for here, and it's easier to press on this side. Okay, and airbag is out. You can see it came out. All we have is here the connectors now, which you just squish in and pull up on this model. Okay, squish right here, both of these, and always pull straight up, never twist, because you're going to mess it up if you twist. Okay, right there. Now we have this wire right here that needs to come out, and this is stuck pretty good here. Okay, let's see how it's going to come out now. Okay, you press right here and you just pull it out. Okay guys, and this is the airbag. Okay, so now we need to disconnect the cable there. Okay, got it out right there. So we can remove the steering wheel. Okay, so with a 24mm range guys, socket with a breakover bar, you remove the steering wheel bolt, and always use thread lock when you reinstall it. Okay, so we now can go ahead and pull it out. Okay, you can see the whole steering wheel right there guys. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, now with the T25 we need to remove a couple screws here that hold the trim. Okay, the trim for, you can see turn signals, windshield wipers, all that stuff there on the console. And once we remove the trim, we should be able to get closer and closer to the Clockspring and actually replace it, because ours is not so good. And you can see we have the one on the bottom right there in the middle. So far we have 3 screws. The bottom one is actually with a T20, so make sure you get it right, T20, and the ones right behind the steering wheel are T25s. Okay, hopefully we don't break anything now, any of the trim here. Let's see. Have no idea how to pop that thing yet, but we'll figure it out, guys, so you don't have to break yours. So if you grab it there on the back, it will come loose and it will start separating the top from the bottom piece, and oh, that's just stressful right here, not to break it. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, and we have the handle probably there, yeah, for adjusting it, and the top piece we can just leave it there now. And that's it, Clockspring right here. So first we need to pull that cable there. Okay, 2 cables you can see, and once we pull those we should be closer and closer to removing it. Okay, you just press, you can see press back and it releases the yellow cable. The white one you just press down. Okay, now we need to release a couple clips to actually pull that thing out. We'll show you once we remove the part, guys, what you need to do, because that's pretty inconvenient there, but hopefully we can get it. Okay guys, and it's out of there now, and let me show you. You need to just release those 2 clips right there and the one on the bottom. So you have 2 clips on top and one on the bottom, and that's the old Clockspring there. So it's really important, guys, not to get it out of alignment now. You can see that thing, never ever pull it out until you have it installed there and it's where it's supposed to be, because otherwise it might not work. You might have a steering angle sensor code and all that kind of stuff, and you might need to even buy a new spring if you don't align it good. So we'll just push it in. Okay, we're just gonna push it in like that, should be good. Now we need to connect all the wires and things like that. Okay, let's see how it works now. Okay, and just push in the wires until they click. Okay, 2 wires there, and after we install the steering wheel we have 1 more. Alright guys, you just put it back together just the same way we took it apart. You need to put all the trim together now, and we will be almost ready to pull that thing out of there. Okay, everything clicked real good. Having 3 hands is always helpful, I guess. Okay, now we are actually ready to pull that thing out. Okay, so you just pull it out like that, and it's good to keep that one, because later if you need to adjust it. Okay, right there now. Let's just install it and see what it does. So we're going to reset the code. You need to make sure everything lines there, and we need to get the bow tied now. So all we gotta do, just connect all the cables now and stay with us. So we'll connect it to our programming device, and we'll see after we clear the code if everything will be good. Okay, make sure you get the airbag right as it's supposed to be. Oh yeah, so we're going to try it now, see what happens. Always stay out of the way first of the airbag, okay? And we're going to turn it on and see, okay, if the airbag light will be on. If it's on, we need to clear it, but it might go away on its own. And oh, everything works. In our case, everything is great. We have no problem at all there, as you can see. So we don't need to reset anything with the scanner. It cleared the code itself. It might be stored in the memory, but who cares? If the light doesn't work, it's not on and it's not in your face. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.